Welcome everybody. Here we are at the Excalibur where I'm reluctantly staying. Let's see how it goes. Here we are. 2 Queen Royal Tower. You know, it feels like I'm in a dungeon. This is like a shower door that you would have in an apartment, you know, not at a hotel. Anyways, it is a walk-in though. That's good. Yeah, my first reaction is it looks clean. It looks clean, but I prefer every other hotel to this one. I've stayed here once before. Here's my view. That's cool. You know what? I opened the drapes and it feels a little better. You got a maybe a 50-inch TV, maybe 45. Yeah, if I could choose, I would not stay here. Paris, of course, much better. Bellagio, of course, Wynn, all those. Mirage, much better. This is well, the carpet looks clean, but it looks like an office carpet maybe, or apartment. These what is that, blood on there? Yeah. Let's check the water pressure. I mean, I didn't pay for the room. Oh, water pressure is really good actually. That's good. That's very good. But you know, it feels damp in here. I need some air, you know? Even though the AC is on, this AC right here. Oh no, they blocked it. My, obviously I don't sound too excited because I'm used to staying at the really nice hotels, but I'm here for a tournament, slot tournament, and the room ended up being free too, so I can't complain, but let's see, I can connect my HDMI right here, my video games. Yeah, this would be the last place I would pick to stay. Not just because of how the room feels. It doesn't feel that comfortable to me, but also the location is at the end of the strip. I like to be in the middle or the other side, but it's not dirty. Well, I don't know. I need to show this to you guys. It's a little hard to breathe in here, and I found out why. There is actual mold growing in the room. So at this point, I can safely say never stay at the Excalibur, because that's not safe. They're gonna move me to another room. I'm gonna check it out, but we'll see what happens. Might have to tell them to move me to a different hotel. We'll see. All right, I'm in a new room, and luckily, no mold. And here's the view. I like this view better too, actually. Luxor, the monorail. It does feel easier to breathe in here. So, but man, I can't believe. I mean, you see a little mold, they gotta investigate it, you know? It's not healthy. Listen to the fan, by the way. This is a different shower. Doesn't have that apartment style glass door, but is a drape better? I would actually say in this case, yes. I don't know about that glass door was, you know, it seems bigger because there's no glass door here. I don't know. But let's see the pressure here. Oh yeah, pressure's real nice here. It is an improvement. 22nd floor versus I was on the 18th floor. The Royal Tower. Royal, you know.
$50. Second offer. $150. Third offer. $125. Final offer. $350.
Oh, yeah.
Boy, you're a winner.
first hit with free play. Here at STK Happy Hour, $7 little BRG truffle fries and salmon slider, 3 to 6. I'm back in the room. STK, there was some issues there, but anyways, I got my food to go. This is the little BRG. I think it's a slider, like a little burger slider. There's a good amount of fries in here, and I can smell the truffle. And then this is the salmon slider, and it came with chips too. So very interesting. Now I bought this. I've never had this before. I think this is new, and it tastes pretty good. And now I'm in the room with this nice small TV. It actually looks smaller. It's about this big in person from my eye point. Watching Everybody Loves Raymond and enjoying my time. I could see some little private jets there from the window. You know what? I'm pretty happy. I'm in Vegas. Lots of people don't get to come to Vegas. You know, so I should be thankful. So I am. It's just, yeah, it's nice. And this beautiful motel style air conditioner, real nice. Anyways, holy smokes, this slider is really good. This sauce is like a house-made Thousand Island dressing. It's smooth. The bun is wonderful. It's like fluffy. The slider's thick. I am impressed. Very impressed. Now on to the the chips that come with the salmon slider. Pretty good. It's like paprika chips, and it's not salty at all, which is great. Very spicy, actually. Maybe some cayenne on there. This is an absolute no. It's a salmon patty. It's not like a piece of salmon that's grilled. It has a fishy taste. This is no good. Skip, 100% skip. Get 2 of those, you know? Yeah, no good. Secret pizza at the Cosmo. Best pizza in Vegas. Look at this. Ooh, I am at lemongrass and the Aria. Got the sesame chicken and the vegetable fried rice, and it looks amazing. Wow. Man. The fried rice has a fried whole mushroom in it. Wow. I have never seen that before. All these veggies, amazing. Look at this mushroom. It tastes amazing. Wow. This sesame chicken is so juicy inside and crispy and fresh and sweet outside. This is fantastic. So good. All right, I went to Tai Fung at Aria and picked up the chicken fried noodles. I've had these before, and nice flavor. I'll tell you what though, if I have to pick between this and lemongrass all the way with the pad see ew, if you want a noodle. This is good, but not much to it, you know. Tasty, but just like noodle, a little bit of veggie and some chicken. Station. Hash brown, French toast, chicken Alfredo, pasta. I don't know what this one is. Mushroom, some breads, lox. All right, we're here at the Bellagio Buffet. I got my veggie omelet, hash browns, lox, cream cheese, bread, bagel, a greens mix, charcuterie board. That's over here. All these pizzas, sushis, oysters. All right, we got white pizza, cheese pizza, veggie pizza, mushroom and onion pizza, and some Philadelphia rolls. My God, Bellagio has the best pizza of all the buffets. This is real pizza you would order. This has a garlic flavor to it. Smooth. Oh my gosh. All right, next up we got some black bean something. Beef stir fry, veggie rice, 3 different kinds of pastas, and an egg roll with sweet and sour. Beef rib, beef brisket, mashed potatoes, biryani rice. All right, last plate before dessert. That was really good. That was really good. That was really good. Dessert. Cake pops. Red velvet, pistachio, vanilla. Tiramisu. And ice cream. Since I'm so full, I'm gonna go with a light dessert. Got a bunch of cake pops and red velvet pops and vanilla pops and Rice Krispies and molten cake. I'm at Caesar's Palace, and because I'm here during CinemaCon, they have this going on. Gladiator 2 on the statues here at Caesar's Palace. And people have gathered, media and stuff, for a CinemaCon showing of something coming up. The Universal Twister. Looks like it's the Universal showcase. Doesn't feel like Vegas if you don't come and see the Forum Shops at Caesars. It is so beautiful. There was a bunch of restaurants here. Trevi, I remember, was here. It's all gone. Look at that beautiful snowy mountain right there. It's about 2:30 in the morning. I went to the America restaurant at New York, and got food to go. Brought it to my room here in Excalibur. We got the Cobb salad, Philly cheesesteak, came with some fries, and ooh-wee. It's very hard to find food really late at night here in Vegas in general. But yeah, it looks really good. This was all came out to $35. Got some ranch there. Let's see how it is. That was really good. The ranch is house made. Salad was fresh. Cheesesteak had a great fresh flavor. And especially the bread is like nice and like moist and fresh. This is a great option if everything is closed and you're around New York and want to get something to eat. 24 hours. Watching Everybody Loves Raymond.
First offer. $125. Second offer. $150. Third offer. $225. Boy, you're a winner.
Got this tuna salad sandwich from Saudel's at Bellagio. Sitting out here by the pool area. Beautiful. And this is really good. Well, that's gonna do it for my Vegas trip. Bed was actually comfortable, not like Bellagio and Venetian, all that stuff, but still comfortable. The room turned out to be more inviting after I turned on all the lights, put the TV on. I moved the TV forward to make it seem bigger too, made a big difference. But still, Excalibur is like the last place I would choose to stay. Just because, honestly, it feels like a motel in a hotel, you know? That's the way it feels. Yeah, you can't, like most hotels, they let you like open the window a little bit or push up to get some fresh air. You can't do that here. You know, there's a lot of things to it. But all in all, had a wonderful stay, a wonderful vacation. Thank you for joining me. Have a great day. Bye-bye.